Okay, in this next video, I'm going to show you how to make a post to Yext, which will enable us to make a post to Google and Facebook at the same time. Now, in order to make a post to Google, you have to make sure that the picture is formatted correctly. And it's not, when you create something for a post like this, you have to make sure you keep this in mind so that you can find the appropriate picture. I'm going to use this. This is going to show you the limitations of the Google post, or what you have to do in order to make it be effective. I'm going to duplicate this picture because I don't want to ruin it. So I have two of them now. Now, in order to be able to post it on Google, it has to be a perfect square, 344 by 344 pixels, and I'll show you what that looks like. Not pixels, but dimensions. Now that, again, that's where we go to edit it. I'm going to edit image. Let's hit the choose later. I'm going to go to crop. Now this makes it easy. I just go 344 by 344. Now you can see what that does. The logo's not even in there. So if I were to do this again, I would probably tweak this logo, make it smaller. You could put it in here. Maybe move this over. But that gives you an idea. Just for this exercise, I'm going to do this. Boom. All right. And I'm going to hit apply. And there you go. Obviously not as effective, but just again, that's what we have to do in order to be able to post here. Go to export, export to computer. Now I go to Yext. Okay. Now, when I'm at Yext here and I want to make a post, I go to listings, right? And then I go to post. This is going to be again for Arrowhead. Click a new post. I want it to be for Arrowhead, not all locations. I want it to be for Arrowhead. Click apply. Add photo. Upload new photo. Select a file. There it is. Okay. Boom. It's in there. Now sign up for the Big Hole Classic today. And of course we want to have the we want to make sure we have the link. So we have to go find that link. Paste. And then if I hit post now, it would post it right now. If I hit this, I can schedule it. And that's probably what we're going to be doing. I would like to schedule this. Again, as I said in some of my other videos, I like to schedule it a month before the event. This one happens to be March 28th, so I hit this. Okay, so I'm going to go to March 28th, like I said. I wanted a specific time, let's say 10 a.m. I would hit apply. Posting. This is what it's going to look like. Scheduled for March 28th at 10 o'clock a.m. and you're all set.